Okay, got another unboxing here. This time, got ourselves a palm sander. Variable speed. Comes with dust bag. Oh, this is for your, when you put your sandpaper on. When you put your sandpaper on there, it basically punches holes. Punches those holes through the sandpaper, like so. And then all that dust should technically go in to the dust bag. The only thing is, because I like using the big flexible batteries, this thing gets in the way, which is a bad design on their part. The orbital sander, you can actually, doesn't get in the way, so it's pretty nice. Cool thing I like about this feature, these sanders, is how easy it is to put on. Other ones, they haven't thought it through as well. So what you do is you push this button on one side, stick it into that little hole slot there, boom, it's in. And then on this side, just both sides clip. And I like that most sanders, they only go this far, and then you have to squeeze it through there. But on this one, you go all the way back, which just simplifies things. And then you, sorry if you missed that, I'll show that again on camera. So like that, and then you just go right up and over, and it just makes things a lot easier to put these on. So much simpler. The other ones, most palm sanders, you have one on one side, one of these, and then another one on this side, and you gotta squeeze it in there. Just, this is a much better system they did here. Brushless, I love it. Let's try it out here. Okay, so I just learned something. Actually, this thing does fit on there if you switch it around, the other way around. So you have, I have the big battery on there, and you see that thing actually fits on there. But then this doesn't go in all the way. Yeah, see, and this doesn't go in all the way. Or does it? I don't even know how it's on there. There you go. But see, once you see what happens there? If you want to sand a flat surface like that, it'll be in the way. Oh my goodness. Whatever, I never cared about those things. They don't work that well. So let's try this sucker out. Okay, I like it. Good tool, highly recommend it. In fact, the reason I bought it was because a friend of or a coworker had one, and I really liked when I was using it. I enjoyed it, and so I was like, huh, I need to get one. That's nice. Stands. Beautiful tool. Beautiful, wonderful, amazing, good tool to work with. Light, and has a speed adjustment here, and just the way that these sandpaper goes in is very simple to use. That feature I like the most. So highly recommend, get yourself a brushless palm sander by Dewalt.